Hello, good morning. In this video, we looking for the Excel basics. That is the Excel screen itself. The Excel screen where you open a blank workbook and it's look a blank workbook and it's look like this. The screen which is seen in front of you. So in the blank workbook, you see various things are available. I will try to explain what are those things. At the top, very top, you can see the quick access toolbar, the only toolbar available in the MS Excel in the newer version of 2010 onwards. In below that, we can see the tabs such as File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, etc. These are known as the tabs. Earlier, these are known as a menu. Inside every tab you have different options available. When you click on that one, each tabs you can see this. These options available in this place are known as ribbons. Nothing but ribbons. You can click on different tabs and see the different options in along with that different tabs, and these are the different ribbons. Every tab have its own ribbons with their options. Come down little bit, you can see this rectangle box. This box is known as name box. The name box is given the location of the cursor of the cell currently located. Suppose if I am clicking on here, the name box, the names of the name box is names are changed. Also the given the name range, it is also given the name ranges that we can discuss in the next video. Next come to see, this is the big rectangular box you can see. That box is called as a formula bar. When you write the formula in the cell, you get the answer, but you want to see what the formula is written exactly, you can see in the formula bar. If you want to expand the formula bar, here is a small arrow mark down, showing the down arrow mark. If you want to expand the formula bar, click on that one, you can see the expanded formula bar. If you want to minimize that one, again you have to click the up arrow mark and minimize it. Then next coming to, you can see this one, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are nothing but the column headings. These are also known as the column headings. If you click on any column headings, the entire column is going to be selected. The next one, you can see the left hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 like this numbers. These are known as the rows. Then if you are clicking on any row number, the entire row is going to be selected. Then if you come down, you can see here sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. These are the different sheets which are available with the MS Excel workbooks. If you click on plus sign, here there is a plus sign. If you click on this plus sign, it is keep on increasing the sheets number. Suppose see here the sheet 7 is then here these are the different sheets. It is going to be keep on increasing the sheets. We are adding the different pages to your workbook. Then if you want to see the name of, suppose if I want to see name of the sheets in one place, suppose I am open the another workbook. The workbook name is a BCA Robotics. Here the different sheets are available. If I want to see all the sheets name in single at a one time, one place, here you can see one small arrow mark. I'm clicking on there. I'm keeping my mouse pointer over there and press the mouse right button. Then now you can see the different sheets, which are the different sheets available with the BCA Robotics workbook. Here, if suppose if I'm clicking on the BCA IBM or BCA Big Data in that sheet, then press OK. It is directly going to showing that particular data, that is particular sheets. It is moving directly. Then if I want to type anything on that cell, inside the cell, the shortcut key either I can click on here, double click on that one, the data, the mouse or the blinking, the cursor is blinking over there. Other than if it is I want to see, I have to press the F2 in the keyboard. See, now you can see the mouse cursor is blinking on that particular cell. I can enter the data. Then this entire book here, this here you can see, I can say that is a this entire is a book because it is having the different sheets belonging to different data, same as your notebook. So why it is called, or why, what do you mean by a workbook? That is a collection of different worksheets. Different worksheets are there, because of that one we are calling it is a workbook. So I can say, if I combine all the worksheets at a one place, then it is a workbook. So I hope you all understood all the data which I have given to you. So today's topic I'm going to stop it. Thank you so much. ഏ ഇല്ല, ഞാൻ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇയറിലെ ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കാം. ആ ഭക്ഷണം കഴിക്കാൻ പോയോ? ഭക്ഷണം കഴിക്കാനായില്ലേ? എന്താ? ഏ? ഓക്കെ 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 ഓക്കെ. Yes, ma'am. I'm going, ma'am. Coming. I am. That is I have taken the Excel classes now, and they want the recordings. It seems. Students. They want to keep it for the further use. So that the classroom recordings they didn't want. They want other way. And yeah, I'm have to do the double work. See. Oh, you are going to Sagar. Uh, uh, uh. So I have the thing. I'm no complete portions over, ma'am. If it is, they would have said the classroom recordings is okay, but they want, and I told I will search it and give the good videos of the YouTube. No, they want my sound. What these numbers are? I told them I will. You can take it from other side. And YouTube will lot of videos are there. No, no, ma'am. We want to hear yours. I told that much of good voice I have. So thank God. I don't know. Let me see. Yogineka, Putaika. Nobody is there. I got one video is recorded. The next one I will have to record. What we record today, you can tomorrow I won't get any time.